Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn about how to compile and run Java program, and this is my first programs. I don't know anything. So before going to compile and run your program is prerequisite is you have installed one JDK in your system. Okay, second is you have to path set path, and it is permanent path, temporary path. If you set temporary path, then your program is not going to run anywhere, but you have to set permanent path. So permanent, permanent, permanent path. Okay, so this is the two of the prerequisite, and you have to do before going to run your program. Okay, so how you can check your path is saved or not? Okay, the first I'm going to see कि my path is set or not. So you have a very simple option. You just click home plus R. So you can open CMD. In CMD you just type Java C. Okay, so it means your path is saved. You just type Java, then you can see it is also running. So your permanent path is saved. So you don't want to worry about it. Okay, and already in your programs having a JDK, how you can see कि my JDK is installed or not? You just go to the C drive, program files, and Java, and you can see all these JDK are installed in your system. So you can see like that. Okay, one more things I have to say. Okay, so these are the completed. Now you have to write one program. Okay, so I'm going to write one program. Don't save. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to write one programs and compiles and run how it's work or not. So simply you have a right in Java program to start with class, and the class is anything. For example, test, yeah, your name also. So this is my name, and just curly braces open and close. In this I'm going to write only hello print, how to compiles and runs and print hello. This is my first programs. So it's a one of the syntax you can say, and you have to write, it is mandatory in Java. So you have to write public statics void main. So this is the main function. Through this function your program is going to start. So string args, you can write here anything. यहाँ पे आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. You can write anything here, but this is the syntax. class name, curly braces open, curly braces close. Inside this you have to write this method main. This is the main methods. You have to write public statics and void and main. I'm going to discuss next video why this only, why this, why not other. Okay, and just you have to write system dot out dot println. Write here hello. It's a very simple code, and save this and these files. P drive, YouTube, Java. Save here name with the name of prince.java. You can save with any name also, but it's mandatory to write class name. Okay, now you want to run this, so you don't want to go anywhere. You just go to your where you are saved your program. So go to your programs. This is my programs, and I have written this program prince.java. So first delete this one. So this is the extra files. So this is the files you are created here, and you are save it with the name of the prince.java. You want to compile it and run it, and you already know your path is saved and your JDK is installed in your system. Okay. So go to your files, and you don't want to do anything. You just click here. You just click here, and just write cmd. If you write cmd, your terminal is open. Then you have to write compile command. So in Java having two commands, I will discuss it. You have two commands for compilation. You can write java c. Java c is a compilation command. Java compiler, you can say this is the Java compiler, and you have to write your class name. So for example, prince, and what is the extension of Java. You have to write your file names properly, your file names. Once it compiles, then you have to run. How you can run program? Okay, so how you can going to run? So you have one more command called Java. Java is a command for run your application. So Java and just your class name. Class name is prince. Okay, through this you can run and compile your program. So just go here and just write Java C and prince dot Java. So your program is compiled, and once you just run it, so Java prince, you got it output. So like that you can do it. One more things, one way I'm going to teach you also. So this is the one of the way. So that's you can create a dot class files. So dot class files you can run. So once you compiles, your dot class file is created. Okay, just delete it. And one more way you can do. For examples, you don't go through this way. So you just write what? Here you just press home plus R. Open CMD. Whenever you have to just write, go to your location P and CD YouTube Java. So you are going to the YouTube Java. Just write here Java C prince dot Java. So I already deleted one files, dot class files I deleted, but still it's created. Once again I just delete it, and once I'm going to fire this command, so you can see here, just you are going to fire this command, your dot class file is created. You can see this, your dot class file is created, and once you just write Java and prince, then your program is running, and it's print the output hello. I hope you understood how to set a class path and how to run your programs. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.